In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Ubersuggest Premium for free in Nigeria. Whether you're a digital marketer looking for in-depth analysis tools or just someone wanting to optimize your online presence, this guide will provide you with all the options you need. Let's start with the first option, which is the official 7-day free trial. This is a fantastic way to get full access to all Ubersuggest's premium features without any immediate cost. All you need to do is head over to their website and initiate the process by selecting the Start Free Trial option on the monthly plan. This plan is specifically designed to trigger the one-time 7-day trial period. During the sign-up, you'll be asked to enter your details, including a payment method. Rest assured, you will only be charged if you decide not to cancel your subscription before the trial ends. Make the most of this trial by using a 7-day checklist to guide your exploration of Ubersuggest's features. Conduct a thorough site audit, explore and export the top 100 keywords, perform competitor analysis, and set up rank tracking. If this checklist sounds handy, I can provide a printable version for you upon request. If you decide that Ubersuggest Premium features aren't quite what you need, be sure to cancel your subscription by going to account settings and then billing before the end of the 7th day. This way, your account will simply revert to the free tier, allowing you to avoid any charges. For those looking for something a bit more long-term, you might want to consider purchasing a lifetime deal. Ubersuggest occasionally offers a one-time lifetime purchase option across different tiers like individual, business, or agency. This could be the most cost-effective solution for prolonged access as it eliminates the need for monthly payments. Keep an eye out on their pricing page for such offers to pop up. Now let's talk about payment options from Nigeria. Ubersuggest accepts major credit and debit cards along with PayPal, but if your Nigerian card faces restrictions for international transactions, you could explore using a dollar domiciliary card or an international Visa or MasterCard debit card from local banks like GT Bank, UBA, or Access. These banks may require you to enable international transactions or use a specific dollar account to facilitate such payments. Another reliable approach is to pay via PayPal, which Ubersuggest accepts. However, be mindful of PayPal's limits within Nigeria, as it's primarily functional for sending payments. Alternatively, virtual card services or payment gateways, such as Payoneer or Gray, can be great solutions, especially for freelancers. Finally, if you're unable to spend any money at the moment, you can still benefit from Ubersuggest's permanent free plan. Simply create a free account and install the Ubersuggest Chrome extension. While it doesn't offer all the functionalities of a premium account, it's perfect for basic keyword research and on-page analysis. Whichever option you choose, these strategies should help you unlock valuable insights with Ubersuggest, enabling you to enhance your digital strategy effectively.